Today I'll be cooking a nice delicious soup for you, one of my staples, soup, chicken soup. Okay, so stick around and I'll show you how I do this. Over here I have my chicken all washed, ready to chopped up, chicken back. And I'm just gonna rinse it off. I washed it with vinegar and lime. All this is going to be going into my pot. Okay. Nice and clean, all chopped up. I added a few breasts in it.
There's chicken backs and breast.
Breast there.
You put some.
Let that drain.
Potato and carrots and yam is going on.
I have potatoes, yellow yam, fresh carrots, actually organic, and here's my pumpkin, my celery, my scallion and onions and thyme.
All right.
Already I have your chopped onions, garlic and thyme with some allspice seeds, so I'm gonna add all of this is going in. This is Shirley's kitchen. This is what I do, my way. Add a little bit of seasoning onto my chicken, some on purpose before I add that in. And I'm gonna rub it in. So while the water is boiling, I'm gonna let this sit for maybe 10 minutes, the most. Then I'll add that in. And then I'll show you guys what's next.
That's all-purpose seasoning?
Yeah.
Okay.
So here I'm going to add the chicken into this water. It's already boiling. A whole lot of chicken. I want the soup to be very flavorful. It's chicken soup. Gonna cover it up and let me stir it up first. Yeah. I'll come back.
How long does that stay there for?
It's already almost to boiling again. So once it's boiling, I'm gonna check on it. Maybe about 15 minutes because it's chicken back. It's not gonna take long, and there's some breast in there. So I don't want to overcook that breast either.
Pumpkin, yellow yam, nice, hearty soup, potato.
Good size. This is Jamaican chicken soup. Cook a lot of food in our soup.
And carrots too?
Yeah, those are organic carrots. I like the other carrots.
Alright. It's boiling down. It's starting to.
So I could add my yellow yam now.
Yellow yam time. Alright.
Yeah. And the pumpkin, because I want my pumpkin cooked up. All in it.
Nice orange pumpkin.
Carrot will be good next thing.
That's Jamaican pumpkin, right?
Yeah. Not Halloween pumpkin. Oh. Okay, my carrots will be next. Let's stop. Okay. Okay, family. If you're not feeling good today, you're certainly gonna drink this soup. And I guarantee you'll get better. Alright, so I'm gonna cover that back up and let it boil.
Oh, you're not gonna add the carrot and potato yet?
Actually, I should. The carrot take a while. I'm gonna just throw that in.
Okay.
The potatoes will be last, and the dumplings.
Oh, dumpling too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna cover that and let it come to a boil. Flavor packet.
It's like it's almost ready. So what's that you just added? Oh, the
Pumpkin
soup
mix.
package?
Yeah, and I'm gonna do a chicken.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a chicken. I'm gonna add the noodles because it's a big pot. So good. And finally, I'm gonna add my turmeric in. Yes, turmeric. I told you this is a healthy soup also. That's enough. Yeah, so if you wasn't feeling good, family, you could use a cup of this soup. I guarantee you'd feel better. Oh, let me add this. Here, some celery and some green onions chopped and my fresh organic thyme. Let me do a taste test here. Just the salt. It's good. But I'm gonna go ahead and add a little salt, little sea salt. With a lot of flavor, so I'm just gonna add. Let me taste that. Oh. And of course, I'm gonna try some jerk season. I've never done this before, family. Yeah. See how that tastes. It smells good with the jerk season too. Okay, very good. Let that come down a little, then I'll taste it up. Done, all plated for you. Enjoy. I'm gonna have mine. God bless this food.